I am really impressed with my Ninja Creamy. I like to use it to make better for me late night ice cream snacks. So I used 14 ounces of vanilla protein shake and in the other container, 14 ounces of chocolate. And this is just plain water and protein powder that I use for these mixtures. The Ninja Creamy is easy to use. All you have to do is take the lid off of your frozen mix and pop it into the mixing basin. Put the mixing lid on top and place it into the machine and press the mixing program of your choice based on what kind of mixture you created. When it's all finished, the mixture will look crumbly, and to make a creamier texture, you can either add a mix in like I'm doing here. I like to add a quarter cup of chocolate chips, or you can use the respin program. So after using the mix in program and then the respin, these are the results that I got from just protein powder, hand shaken with water, and then I did the mix ins. So I really like this machine and I 100% recommend it for anyone who is looking to make ice cream on their own.